Gonna do a baby update. Got lots of babies in this tank. Pretty much anywhere you look, I think there's at least 20 or more. This is my 29-gallon. They're different spawns, so they're anywhere from, you know, pretty small to getting a lot bigger and looking just like mom and dad, just smaller. There's mom, dad. Dad number 2 is somewhere around here. And they just love foraging around. Mom and dad don't bother them. They could care less. The green Corys I put in here, they could care less. And then the video, which I will show you in just a minute, is about 35 eggs from my pepper Corys. So I'm expecting some of those babies in a few days. They have laid eggs on pretty much every plant in this tank, and I'm still collecting them. Right now they're in the back, you can't really see them. Here is a much better view of my peppered Corys. These are the ones that laid about 30-35 eggs, which I am incubating, and hopefully we will have a good hatch. Thank you so much for watching. Everybody stay happy, safe, and healthy. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share if you would. Hope everyone has a great week.